This is one of my old lights of many years ago. I think it was bought in the late 80s, early 90s, so it's probably about 35 years old, if not slightly older. Now, it's been in my workshop in the corner for many years. I haven't used it for quite some time. It has an old bulb, an old standard type bulb, and that's what's inside. Whenever you put it back together, bear in mind that the way it's put together, it needs to be put together the correct way around, otherwise it simply won't connect together. Now, this is the light bulb. I'm going to take it out and just show you. There it is there. Now it takes, I think it's D batteries. So it's the larger ones from the AA batteries. And the bulb does go in a certain way, and then you've got this little piece of copper metal that holds the bulb in place. Now, giving it a bit of a clean up. If you look inside, you can see it's quite rusty. I haven't cleaned any of that out at the moment. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.